Today we are going to talk about very important aspect of YouTube branding. This one aspect of YouTube branding is lesser known. Welcome friends, welcome to Life Gigs. Today we are going to talk about very important aspect of YouTube branding. This one aspect of YouTube branding is lesser known. Many people know that tags are important in YouTube. Each video has its own tags, and the more relevant and quality tags you put in your videos, better it is for your videos. But very few people know that there are channel tags as well. It is very important for you to set up right channel tags so that YouTube in general knows what is the broader niche of your channel. Surprisingly, many people don't know about this feature, forget about optimizing it. So let's see how we can optimize it. I'll show you from where you can do that. It's very simple but lesser used feature. So earlier you do it for your channel, better it would be for your rankings and channel growth. You need to go to your YouTube studio, and I'm already in YouTube studio of my channel, as you can see. And where you need to click on the settings. Once you click the settings, the second option from the top after the general tab is channels. Click on that. It has basic info, advanced settings, and feature eligibility. In basic info, the first one is your country of residence, and then there onwards is the option for your channel keywords or tags. So here you need to put in the right tags for your channel, whatever the niche you are targeting. And one thing very important here, channel tags are slightly in the broader niche, means you need to specify every length and breadth of your channel, whereas in the video tags you need to concentrate your tags in and around the specific video. It is important to put the right kind of tags here in the right numbers as well. You need to specify the broader length and breadth of your niche, and if you are altering your niche of your channel, then time to time you need to alter the relevant tags as well. And it is important that these tags are kept in mind, keeping the range of videos that you are going to make. So suppose I want technology to be added in my channel as a niche topic, so I would say technology. It's as simple as putting tags in your video. Suppose I don't want these tags, so I'll simply remove them. It is advisable to write somewhere in the word etc. and paste it, all the relevant tags in one go. So this was your channel tags tutorial, and I hope this information is useful to you. And if you haven't set your channel tags as yet, please do that. If you are first time here, kindly subscribe to Life Gigs for interesting tech, infotainment and lifestyle related content. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.